Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best Dremels for wood carving? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose Dremels for wood carving with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right Dremels for wood carving. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Dremel 200-1/15. Not every woodworker dreams of carving the wood equivalent of the Mona Lisa. Some just want to make craft necklaces, pendants, or small animals. If that's you, then this is your Dremel. Weighing just 1.45 pounds, the Dremel 200 was made as a hobby drill, but it packs a punch. The 15 accessories it comes with make it suitable for engraving, cutting, carving, cleaning, polishing, sharpening, and sanding. This small yet crafty device has two speeds, 15,000 RPM and 35,000 RPM. Designed for convenience, you can easily flip between the two varying speeds. It is also easy to change the accessories. Besides the 15 accessories it comes with, the 200 is compatible with all Dremel accessories. This device also comes with a 2-year warranty. One feature that would help you enjoy this product even more is the replaceable motor brushes. The lightweight design means you can use it for prolonged carvings. Besides wood, you can use this tool to sharpen garden tools, cut metal, and engrave glass. This is truly a multi-purpose tool for the DIY user. Of course, a tool like this has limitations. If you try to use this on large projects continuously, the motor can overheat. Number 2. Dremel 7700-1/15. If you like to work on the go or need more creative positions as you work, you will appreciate the flexibility of a cordless rotary tool. The only problem is many cordless tools don't have much power, but not this one. The Dremel 7700 has a 7.2 volt nickel cadmium (NiCd) battery that can flip between 10,000 RPM to 20,000 RPM, which is more than enough for sanding, engraving, cutting, and anything else you'll need. In addition, it comes with a 3-hour charger, providing just enough juice for your small tasks. This particular unit comes with one attachment and 15 accessories for all of your basic beginner tasks. It is also compatible with all Dremel accessories. The light design makes it easy to maneuver, and the battery is removable, so you can get non-stop action by swapping other batteries, sold separately. As effective as this tool is at covering a myriad of tasks, its comparatively low power makes it an ideal beginner wood carving tool. It is only suitable for softwood, as many users have noticed. Try it on hardwood, and it stalls immediately, although there is a way around it. In trying to keep the price low, you need a wrench to change bits, and you have to make do with a 2-year warranty. Number 3. Editor's Pick, Dremel 4300-5/40. There is so much to love about this product that it's hard to know where to start, but let's begin with the attachments. This version has 5, including a pilot light, which helps you see your work better in tight corners. It also comes with an A550 shield rotary attachment, which prevents debris from flying towards your face, even when you accidentally or intentionally strike metal. Beginners and perfectionists will get a kick out of the 565 multipurpose cutting kit, which gives you the type of controlled cuts you can only get with a router. The sanding and grinding guide are also helpful attachments that come with the package. Besides these, the 4300 is also compatible with all Dremel attachments and accessories. Although there is a larger toolkit, this base model with 40 accessories can handle most tasks comfortably. Other run-of-the-mill benefits include the easy nose cap that makes it easy to swap accessories without a wrench, variable speed up to 35,000 RPM, and an airflow system that reduces heat buildup. However, as much as we love this product, we wish it was a bit smaller so that it would be easier to hold. Number 4. Dremel 8220-1/28. The Dremel 8220 is a dynamic rotary tool that is great for cutting, engraving, sanding, polishing, and sharpening. Despite being battery operated, it does a good job of powerfully handling even the most arduous wood carving projects. This rotary tool runs up to 30,000 RPM, which is just as fast as corded competitors. In addition, the 12V lithium-ion battery can be charged in as little as 1 hour. This device is also a decent weight, so handling it is not a chore. However, you may choose to buy a flex shaft attachment for added control. Even though this rotary device only comes with 28 accessories, it is fully compatible with all Dremel bits, which allows you to complete even more complex tasks. One thing you'll also love is how easy it is to change the bits with Dremel's patented Easy Twist nose cap. What you might struggle with is using this for huge jobs. After all, this runs on a battery, so don't expect it to compete with a corded alternative. This rotary tool is best if you work remotely or for tasks that only last an hour or two. Number 5. Dremel 4000-6/50. The better you get at wood carving, the more tools you'll need. This Dremel might cost you a bit of money up front, but it will save you a lot going forward. For starts, this comes with a mind-bending 6 attachments, not the most on our list, but it's still impressive. So, right out of the box, you can embark on grand projects with confidence. You get a flex shaft attachment, circle cutter and straight edge guide, sanding guide, multi-purpose cutting kit, a shield cutting kit, and the standard lawnmower and garden tool sharpener. Besides the attachments, you also get 50 accessories. Whatever you can conceive in your mind to create, there is a high possibility you can do most of it with this one device. Plus, it is compatible with all Dremel accessories, although there is very little else you'll need. Executing different tasks is easy, thanks to the variable speed that runs between 5,000 RPM and 35,000 RPM. It also has a ventilation system to prevent overheating when working on tricky tasks. One major gripe we heard was the lack of power. However, Dremel does warn that you must read the instructions before use. So the only real issue is its short warranty, just like their other products. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.